In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit published posts on Substack, whether you've spotted a typo, want to update information, or just feel like improving a post you've already sent out. Substack makes it pretty straightforward to edit published content. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, start by logging into your Substack account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main Substack view. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is your main control center where you can access your content, subscribers, stats, and more. So it's a good place to get familiar with. After you're inside your dashboard, keep your attention on that same left-hand panel. Under the section labeled Content, you'll see an item called Posts. Go ahead and click on Posts. When you do this, the page will reload and you'll now see a list of all your posts. This includes drafts, scheduled posts, and importantly, your already published posts. Now, scroll through the list and find the specific published post you want to edit. Take your time to double check the title and date if you have a lot of posts. Once you've located the post, look over to the right side of that row. You'll see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Edit. Substack will then open that post inside the editor, just like when you first created it. Once you're in the editor, you can make any changes you need. This could be fixing spelling or grammar, updating links, adjusting formatting, or even adding new sections of text. As you edit, you'll see the changes reflected in real time. When you're happy with your edits, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen and click the Continue button. A pop-up window will open. Here you can review and configure other post settings if you'd like, such as send options or visibility. When everything looks good, go to the bottom right corner of that pop-up and click Update Now. Substack will save your changes and update the published post. And that's it. You've successfully edited a published post on Substack.